How to create Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to create Instagram account. So first of all, just simply open your Play Store or your App Store, and after that on the search bar just simply search for Instagram, and after that just simply go ahead and install the application in your mobile device. And once the application has been downloaded successfully, just simply click on open to open the app. And over here on this screen, you will be able to see your accounts which you already have. But if you don't have an account and you want to create one for yourself, you won't be able to see your accounts. Instead, you will be able to see the option called create a new account, which I can see at the bottom of my screen. So just simply click on create new account. And after that, you simply have to enter your mobile number over here. I'm entering mine, and click on next, and you can also use your email address to sign up if you want to. And now you have to create a password for yourself, and once the password has been created, just simply click on next and click on create a new account. And you can also save your login information. Now you have to set your date of birth. Now you have to enter your full name and click on next. My username has been created by the Instagram itself, and click on I agree and accept the terms and policies of the Instagram. And now you have to enter this captcha, and then just enter your email address and click on send code. And now this 6-digit code has been sent on the email address that you have just mentioned. So just simply open your Gmail, just simply copy the code from here and paste it right here and click on next. And once it is done, as you can see that your account has been created now. So this is basically how simple it is to create an Instagram account. So as you can see, this is your profile, and yeah, this is basically how you will be able to create an Instagram account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.